As I built my brand, it became clear that to make the most of my online presence, I was going to need my own website to do it. But even after I got the site designed, just the way I like it, I still had to jump the hurdle of finding the right hosting for my business's needs. There are almost endless options, but after doing a lot of research and following others' recommendations, I eventually narrowed it down to 4 top options. So today, I'll talk about what my top 4 offer, their pros and cons, their pricing, as well as the types of websites that each is best at supporting, so you can figure out which one is best for you and your needs. First up on the list is HostGator. I've personally used it a bunch of times for past projects and found it to be both affordable and reliable. Aside from their solid reputation, every hosting plan comes with a free domain for the first year, security protections, and a drag-and-drop website builder that's easy to use. They're especially popular with beginners, which I definitely was when I first tried them out. And thanks to their built-in light-speed caching, your site loads faster without needing to tweak anything technical. HostGator's pricing starts with the super budget-friendly premium plan at just $3 a month. But that's if you're willing to pay for 4 years up front. That said, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Now, if you're planning to stick with HostGator for a while, it's definitely worth locking in for the longer term. The longer you commit, the cheaper it gets. For example, the 12-month plan runs around $4 a month, but after that, it renews at the regular rate of $12 a month. So the savings really add up if you lock in early. And by the way, if you're planning to sign up, you can use our coupon code SITESTARTERS at the checkout to get an extra 10% off any plan. Now, if you need a little more power, the business plan might be a better fit. It's around $4 a month if you go with the longer term plan, and it comes with daily backups, faster performance, and helpful extras like free WordPress plugins and AI tools to speed up your site setup. It's also a great choice if you're planning to sell products online. You get basic WooCommerce tools and support for over 100 payment methods, which makes launching a small store much easier. And if you're looking for even more performance, the Cloud Startup Plan is built for heavier workloads. It supports up to 100 websites, handles around 200,000 visits a month, and includes a dedicated IP address. You also get priority support, which can be a real lifesaver if anything goes wrong. Pricing starts at around $8 a month with a 4-year plan, which is a pretty good deal if you're managing client sites or running something more demanding. In terms of features, every HostGator plan includes the essentials like an SSL certificate, easy website migration, and a strong lineup of security tools such as malware scanning, DDoS protection, and WHOIS privacy. You'll also get some free mailboxes for each website, automatic backups, and helpful built-in tools to keep your site running smoothly behind the scenes. Beyond the basics, HostGator offers cloud and VPS hosting, Minecraft server plans, and a budget-friendly website builder. Another thing I like is how smoothly it integrates with WordPress. You can install it with just one click, no matter which plan you choose. So whether you're a gamer, a small business owner, a blogger, or even a developer, HostGator offers flexible solutions for just about everyone. Next up is Bluehost, another popular name in web hosting. It's officially recommended by WordPress, which already sets it apart from a lot of the competition. One thing Bluehost does well is proactive maintenance. They work behind the scenes to minimize downtime and performance issues before they affect your site. Now let's talk about their plans and how much they cost. First of all, every plan includes a free domain for the first year, free SSL, and a free CDN via Cloudflare to help protect your site and boost performance. You can choose between 1, 12, and 36-month plans, with the basic plan starting at $4 a month for the first year. This plan is ideal for up to 10 websites and comes with 10 GB of SSD storage, which should be plenty for most personal or starter websites. If you're expecting a moderate amount of traffic, around 200,000 visits a month, the choice plan is worth a look. Priced at under $8 a month on a 1-year term, it gives you 50 GB of storage plus enhanced security and privacy tools. It's a great budget-friendly pick for users with growing experience and traffic. For the most demanding users, Bluehost's e-commerce essentials plan offers top performance and advanced features for under $8 a month on a yearly plan. Designed with high traffic sites in mind, it includes everything from the lower tier plans, plus premium tools and extra resources to keep your site running smoothly at scale. And if you decide to try one of these services we've covered today, you can check out the affiliate links down in the description below. For most of the products we talk about, we usually have special deals you wouldn't get if you went straight to their websites, so feel free to check them out. Next up is HostGator, a straightforward and budget-friendly hosting provider that offers a strong mix of features at an affordable price. It's especially popular for shared hosting, where your site shares server resources with others. While this setup might not give you the lightning-fast performance, it helps keep the cost low, making it a solid choice for bloggers, first-time website owners, and small businesses. Every plan includes helpful extras like a free domain for the first year, unlimited email accounts, SSL certification, one-click WordPress installs, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're looking to get the best value, going with a 3-year plan gives you the lowest monthly price. But if you'd rather keep things flexible, there are also 12-month and month-to-month options available. Now let's break down the plans. The most affordable option is the Hatchling plan. If you sign up for 36 months, it comes out to about $2.75 per month. A 12-month plan costs around $4 a month. And if you just want to pay monthly, it's about $12. So the longer your commitment, the more you save. With the Hatchling plan, you can host up to 10 websites, and you'll get 10 gigabytes of storage, unlimited bandwidth, and chat-based customer support, making it a solid entry-level choice for most users. Next is the Baby plan, which goes for about $3.50 a month if you choose the 36-month option. It's a nice upgrade from the Hatchling plan. You can host up to 20 websites instead of 10, and you get 20 gigabytes of storage, which is double the space. It's also built to handle more traffic, with an ideal range of about 50,000 monthly visits, making it a better fit if your site's starting to grow. HostGator also offers specialized plans for e-commerce and WordPress hosting. But for most individuals and small businesses, the business plan is probably more than they'll ever need. For about $5.25 a month on a 36-month deal, you get everything in the Baby plan plus Cloudflare protection, domain privacy, and daily website backups for the first year. This plan supports up to 50 websites and 50 gigabytes of storage, making it a strong option for users who need more space and built-in tools. One thing to keep in mind is that HostGator uses its own version of the cPanel interface, which might take a bit of getting used to if you've never worked with it before. It's not hard to learn, but it's not the most modern-looking dashboard out there. And last up is Scala Hosting. They're well known for their solid cloud VPS hosting, which offers excellent performance and scalability for the price. With VPS, you get your own slice of the server, so your site runs more smoothly and isn't affected by what other websites are doing. It's a great choice if your site is growing or you're running something that needs more power, like an online store or a business site. Aside from VPS, Scala also provides shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and business email services, making it a flexible option for users at different stages. For shared hosting, their mini plan lets you choose to pay monthly at around $12 a month, or make a substantial saving by committing to 12 or 36 months upfront, dropping the price as low as $3 a month. This plan covers one website, which makes it a great option for beginners or anyone just starting out with a simple site. It includes 10 gigabytes of storage, unlimited bandwidth, and daily backups, so your basics are covered without overcomplicating things. If you need to manage more than one website, the Start plan gives you unlimited. It costs around $6 a month when you pay long-term upfront, and includes everything from the mini plan, plus a free domain and 50 gigabytes of storage, making it a great fit if you're running multiple sites or planning to grow. And if you need even more space, the advanced plan offers 100 gigabytes of storage for about $10 a month when you pay long-term upfront. It's a strong option for growing websites that need more room to scale without jumping straight to VPS. When you go with Scala's cloud hosting, you're getting a more powerful setup than shared hosting. Your site gets its own slice of resources like CPU and RAM, so performance stays consistent even during traffic spikes. It's also more secure since you're not sharing space with other websites, and it makes things easier. Scala uses their own custom dashboard called S-Panel, which gives you full control over your site, email, and settings without the steep learning curve of traditional cPanel. You also get a dedicated IP address, which can help improve security and reduce the risk of being affected by other sites on the server. Plus, you can add collaborators to your control panel, which is useful if you're working with a team or need someone else to help manage your website. For managed VPS hosting, plans start at around $30 a month with a 12-month commitment, and include 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM. What's nice is that Scala lets you customize your plan, so if you need more power, you can easily add extra storage, RAM, or CPU cores to fit your exact needs. The anytime money-back guarantee makes Scala a low-risk option. Great if you're migrating from another host or just want to test how well VPS works for your site before fully committing. And on top of that, all plans come with free site migration, 24/7 customer support, and setup that's smooth even if you're new to hosting. If you're looking for reliable and affordable web hosting, all 4 of these providers bring something valuable to the table. Hostinger is great if you're on a tight budget but still want fast performance and a modern, beginner-friendly interface. Bluehost offers a smooth setup experience with built-in security, and it's a solid choice if you're launching your first WordPress site. HostGator works well if you're managing multiple websites and want flexible plans without breaking the bank. And Scala Hosting is ideal if you need more power and control, especially with their customizable VPS hosting options. Whether you're launching your first blog, running an online store, or scaling up to handle higher traffic, there's a plan here that can support your goals and match your budget. That's about it for this video. If you learned something here today, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And again, if you decide to try out any of these hosting services, you can check out our exclusive links down below. For most of the products we mentioned, we usually have special deals you wouldn't find if you went directly to their websites. Also, don't forget, you can use our code SITESTARTERS on any Hostinger plan to get an extra 10% off. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below and I'll try and get back to them as fast as I can. Finally guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.